Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you one day in my life as a university student. My university is only 10-minute walk away from my condo, so I just always walk. And during break time, we go out and have some snacks and buy some stuff. Today I only have morning class, so I'm gonna go out with my friends in the afternoon.
A few hours later.
So I just got home and I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing. The thing that I ordered is toner pad from Mediheal that I really wanted. Look how happy I am. I'm working at a freelancer at a company, so I have to work during my free time. So I'm going to work for a bit. This is my face after removing toner pads. I was very satisfied with the result. And this is just a random desk tour for you guys. After working for a few hours, I just went to bed, and it's pretty much it. So hope to see you in next video. Bye.